Please don't listen to those people who are telling you that AI is coming for your job. I'm saying this not because AI isn't going to revolutionise the workplace, but because the best person to determine the impact of technology on your job role is you. To illustrate the point, research from Oxford University predicted that 95% of a professional accountant's current role is expected to be automated by 2033. Now, accountants, along with lawyers and doctors, are one of those professions most likely to be impacted by advances in digital technology. But 95%? Well, I believe that figure is based on a non-accountant's belief and understanding of what an accountant actually does. And I believe that this 95% figure fails to recognise a vast array of value-adding skills that accountants bring to organisations. But unless accountants are actively demonstrating those skills and challenging that perception, it risks becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy. For example, in 2024, Elon Musk was appointed to the US Department of Government Efficiency with a brief to slash government spending. And there was one editorial that I saw that remarked that this would be achieved by Musk simply getting rid of all of those jobs he doesn't understand. In other words, if those in authority think that you can be replaced by a machine, and you don't do enough to demonstrate the value that you create, you will find your job at risk. So, to protect your job, the first step is to become digitally literate, to understand precisely what technology is and isn't doing. Armed with this insight, then you can nurture and develop those skills that technology struggles to replicate. So, for example, any accountant who thinks that they're going to outperform the machine in data analytics and data processing is in for a shock. However, any accountant who can build trust and provide assurance, and not least in the field of AI, they will find a growing market for their skills. So don't wait for somebody else to define your future, but instead take ownership of your development. Stay curious, build your digital confidence, and focus on those human strengths that the algorithm struggles to replicate. Skills like judgment, ethics, communication, and trust. That is how you'll future-proof your career.